this scientist. They have 2 test tubes, but something strange is happening. One is bubbling with activity, but the other? Nothing at all. Why is one reaction so fast while the other stays completely still? Think about cooking. If you put food in a pan with no heat, nothing happens. But the moment you turn on the stove, whoosh, the food starts sizzling. Heat speeds up cooking, just like something inside our bodies speeds up reactions. That something is called a catalyst. It helps reactions happen faster, just like fire speeds up cooking. Imagine a race. One runner struggles to move, but the other has catalyst shoes and zooms ahead. Catalysts give reactions a boost, making things happen much faster. Catalysts aren't just in races, they're inside you right now. Let's zoom in past the skin, past the muscles, down to the tiny cells inside. Here, catalysts work hard, helping break down food, create energy, and keep you alive. But what if we didn't have catalysts? Eating would take forever. Running would feel like moving through jelly. Even breathing would be slow and difficult. Life would be way too slow. Thankfully, catalysts do exist, and they make life run smoothly. But how do they work? What makes them so powerful? Let's find out in the next scene. Have you ever wished something could happen faster? Well, that's exactly what a catalyst does. It's like a magic helper that speeds up chemical reactions without getting used up. That means it keeps working again and again. Imagine you're building a brick wall all by yourself. It's slow, tiring, and takes forever. But if a super fast helper jumps in, the work gets done in no time. That's what catalysts do. They speed things up without doing all the work themselves. Chemical reactions can be slow too. If you mix certain ingredients, they might take hours or even days to react. But add a catalyst and whoosh, the reaction happens way faster. It's like pressing the fast-forward button in science. Did you know plants use catalysts too? When sunlight shines on a leaf, tiny helpers inside start working, turning air and water into energy. Without these natural catalysts, plants wouldn't grow fast enough to survive. And guess what? Catalysts are inside you too. Every time you eat, special catalysts in your stomach help break down food into tiny pieces so your body can use the energy. Without them, digestion would take so long, you'd still be digesting breakfast at dinner time. Even breathing needs catalysts. When you take a deep breath, oxygen rushes into your body. But without catalysts, it would move so slowly that your body wouldn't get the oxygen it needs in time. Good thing these tiny helpers are always working. Here's something amazing. Catalysts never get used up. Imagine a worker passing bricks all day but never getting tired. No matter how many times they help, they stay the same. That's what makes catalysts so special. Now, imagine a world without catalysts. Eating would take hours, running would feel like slow motion, and even your thoughts would take forever. Life would be way too slow. Thankfully, catalysts keep everything moving at just the right speed. Okay, we know catalysts make things faster. But where do they come from? And how do they work their magic? Let's dive deeper and find out in the next scene. Imagine you have a locked door labeled reaction. Normally, it takes a lot of effort to open. But what if you had a special key that instantly unlocked it? That's exactly how a catalyst works. It helps reactions happen much faster without changing itself. Think of a reaction like climbing a steep hill. It takes a lot of energy to reach the top. But a catalyst is like flattening the hill into a gentle slope, making it way easier to cross. With less effort needed, the reaction happens much faster. Every catalyst is designed to work with a specific molecule, just like a key fitting into a lock. When the right pieces connect, the reaction happens instantly, like puzzle pieces snapping into place. That's why catalysts are so powerful. Inside all living things, special catalysts called enzymes help with almost everything, breaking down food, helping us breathe, and even making our muscles move. Without enzymes, life's essential reactions would take too long. Ever wonder how your body turns food into energy so fast? That's enzymes at work. They act like tiny chefs, slicing big food molecules into tiny pieces that your body can use right away. Without them, digestion would take forever. But enzymes don't work in just any condition. If it's too cold, they freeze up and slow down. If it's too hot, they lose their shape and stop working. Just like an overheated robot shutting down. That's why the right temperature is super important. With catalysts, reactions don't just happen faster. They can speed up millions of times. Imagine running a race where one runner is slow and exhausted, but another zooms by like lightning. That's the power of catalysts in action. Catalysts aren't just in nature, they're everywhere. In cars, special catalysts help clean the air by turning harmful pollution into safer gases. So next time you see a car, remember, catalysts are working to make the world cleaner. We know catalysts make reactions faster, but how are they actually made? And why are they so important in science and technology? Let's find out in the next part. Catalysts don't just appear out of nowhere. Inside your body, tiny factories inside your cells work day and night to build special catalysts called enzymes. These enzymes help speed up reactions, making life possible. But how does your body know how to make these enzymes? The secret is hidden inside your DNA. Think of DNA as a giant instruction book filled with special recipes, telling your cells exactly how to build the right catalysts. It's not just humans. Plants and animals also make their own catalysts. Plants use special enzymes to grow, make food from sunlight, and even clean the air. Without catalysts, nature wouldn't be able to function properly. Did you know that scientists can also create their own catalysts? In labs, researchers design special catalysts to help make important things like medicine, fuel for cars, and even clean drinking water. Even though catalysts are incredibly tiny, way smaller than the tip of a needle, they have a huge impact. They speed up millions of reactions every second, keeping everything running smoothly in your body and the world around you. Right now, as you watch this video, catalysts inside your body are working non-stop. They're helping you breathe, move your muscles, digest food, and even think. Without them, everything would slow down too much. Catalysts don't work alone. Inside your body, different enzymes team up to make sure you stay healthy and active. Some break down food, others produce energy, and some even help build new cells. Imagine if you could do your homework instantly with a magic wand. That's kind of what catalysts do. They speed up chemical reactions without getting used up themselves. It's like science magic in action. But what happens when catalysts stop working? And how can we take care of them to keep our bodies and the world running smoothly? Let's explore that in the next part. Oh no! When catalysts stop working, everything in your body slows down. You feel tired, sluggish, and things don't work as fast as they should. Your stomach needs catalysts to break down food. Without them, digestion takes forever. You might feel heavy, bloated, and really uncomfortable. Imagine trying to move, but everything feels slow, like walking through thick mud. Without catalysts, even simple things like blinking or waving take longer. Your body makes energy with the help of catalysts. But if they stop working, you feel weak and tired, like a phone running out of battery. Even your brain needs catalysts. Without them, your thoughts get slow and fuzzy, like trying to read through fog. Thinking clearly becomes really hard. But don't worry, your body has ways to help catalysts work again. Want to know how? Let's find out in the next part. From the moment you wake up, catalysts are at work. They help you stretch, yawn, and even take your first deep breath of the day. Every bite of food you eat, catalysts help break it down, turning it into the energy you need to run, jump, and play. It's not just you. Plants and animals need catalysts too. Trees use them to grow, and animals use them to stay strong and healthy. You may not see them, but catalysts are always there, working like tiny superheroes to keep everything moving fast and smoothly. Imagine a world without catalysts. Food wouldn't digest, energy wouldn't flow, and life would slow down. Luckily, they never stop working. So, next time you blink, breathe, or even blow out a birthday candle, remember, catalysts make life possible every second of every day.